Hi, I'm Brittany from the Postech team, and I'm answering your frequently asked questions. You've been wondering about the soil conditions in the Kamloops, so let's go and talk with Marcia to go find out more. Let's go! Hi Marcia, what are the different types of soil conditions that you have in the Kamloops area, and how does it affect the installation process?
The terrain changes so drastically in the large area we service. We can go from arid to mountainous and forested regions very quickly. So we have sand, silt, clay, black dirt with rock or without. So we have to be prepared on site with different size piles for any specification.